Let's look at an invoice. What is an invoice? Why do you need it? And who are the parties involved? An invoice is a commercial document that details the transaction between the seller and the buyer, itemizing the goods or the services that was provided and requesting payment. It includes information like the quantity, the rate, the total cost, but let's look at an example of an invoice. On your invoice, you'll have key important details from who it is, that would be your company, and your VAT number, and then to who you made the sale, their address and their VAT number. And you'll have an invoice number. An invoice number is important. This keeps track of all the invoices that you send out along with the date. And then you'll have the date, the description of what was sold, the quantity, how much each cost, and then their totals. Then you'll have it exclusive of VAT. You'll calculate the VAT and then the grand total that needs to be paid into your account. Thank you so much for watching.